Hello, Tobin here. For those of you who don't know that I've kind of started my own guitar repair, guitar building um, uh, business, I guess you want to call it that. If you want to call it that, I don't know. Um, my friend from Jared's Ring Shop gave me a cool thing. I'll be getting married pretty soon, so there's my ring. Um, and I have myself just thought I'd mention it, but uh, I have a build here, and this is the unboxing for it. And I already cut the tape, so we're gonna have this unboxing together. And this is ta-da-da-da-da, yay! It is a. Let me take the condom off. Um, this is a bass, semi-acoustic bass. I'm gonna really do some unique things with this beautiful thing, and it is unique condom for the neck. I'm gonna check that out. Guess maybe I should have done that before I unboxed it for you guys. Here's the neck for it. It's going to be like a sort of a Gibson kind of thing. Look at the volute. It's a very minuscule volute. This is how it's going to look when it's sort of put together, you know. This is from the fretwire.com. The neck is not that tight of a fit, but it is what it is. And here's the bag of electronics. It's got 2 mini humbuckers, and it's even got wiring diagrams. And there's that thing. And I've heard some good things about the fretwire and some not so good things from the fretwire. Some not so good things is their fret leveling is usually garbage, but that's okay. I'll figure that out. But yeah, this is going to be my experimental bass. This is the first bass I ever built. Going to be the first bass I ever built, and I want to make it the sort of the be-all, end-all of all bass guitars. I want it to be the most useful bass guitar. My intention is to not use those 2 pickups that came with it and use a really good quality one, like a good DiMarzio Model 1 or something, and make the pickup so I can move it from the beginning of the bridge to where the neck meets the body. I'm also giving it if possible, I'm going to give it a built-in tuner, built-in preamp, Fishman preamp, and all that stuff. And a string muter and all kinds of stuff, but lots of bells and whistles. I want this to be the most useful bass guitar ever made, so that this will be one bass you can use for multiple different options. And that's enough of my yakking. Thanks, and have a good day, guys.